shot, well done, you did your backswing much better. But the problem is why you didn't make a screw back shot, just because you just come to the shot, and I will show you the reason why. Okay, so if he has a massive long bridge, it's way too long, and in that case it's very difficult to keep good cue action. And as he pushes his cue, at that moment he's only pushing cue through maybe 3-4 centimeters, and then he has to drop his elbow to achieve outcome, and he did that, but he lost the cue ball because he was aiming low and finished high. No good. So the easy fix in your case is just to make sure your bridge hand is a little bit shorter. So if your bridge is long like that, so make about maybe 28 centimeters from the cue tip to your bridge hand here. So make sure your tip is closer and your bridge is shorter. And leave your back arm to the same position. Okay. Play the same power as you did second shot, and believe me, you will achieve much better outcome. So start from here, make your bridge a little bit shorter, like that, okay? And play smoothly, nice and smooth long backswing. Smoother, okay? Smoother. To your chest, okay? Less power. Nice and smooth backswing and less power. Okay, way too quick. Slower. Okay? Now, first thing, if you're aiming to the backspin, finish with the backspin. So let's say if you play backspin and finish with your tip like that, because your tip was up like that. Okay. Play nice and slow. It's gonna be more than enough to make a screw back shot. Yes, correct. Your bridge is perfect. Okay, and nice and perfect. Slow, slow. You see, we got even more screw back, but it's not good enough. We want to make a screw back over there. Yes. So keep your finish position like a photo finish, stay still, and keep your hand close to your chest after the shot. Please make your feathers smoother, smaller, like that. Okay? Okay. And you will achieve a very good outcome in your stroke. Okay, nice, like that, perfect. Smoother, smoother, a little bit better, and shot. You see? A massive screw back shot. He played with the 3 times less power, and he had a massive result. Very well done. Do it again. Okay.